To solve the Rt2 problem from Right Triangles 2 Lesson 5, we are going to redraw a picture of what's happening here. Actually, we don't need to. All we need to do is to sketch the rest of the pipe and put a center in our circle. I am going to call this original radius R. That's the original radius. From here to here, I have an original radius that I will call R. I'm now going to sketch the 48 in here. So if I want to know the original diameter, I'm going to start by trying to find R, which is that. And I'm going to look at this triangle in R. I know that this is 90 degrees, so I know that R squared is C squared. I know that this whole thing was 48, but in an isosceles triangle, a perpendicular bisector is also, or that perpendicular is also a bisector. So I know that A will be 24 squared. This part's trickier to find. I know the entire length here is R, and I know this piece is 6. So if I want to find just this piece, I will take R and subtract 6 to get that piece. Here again, I'm going to need to use FOIL to solve. Think of R minus 6 squared as R minus 6 times R minus 6. I'll end up with R squared, subtract 12R, plus 36. From here, we'll subtract R squared from both sides. That will give me 0 on this side, but it won't be there for long. I know that 24 squared is 576. Let's add the 36 to that. And I still have the negative 12R, but if I add positive 12R to both sides of the equation, I will end up with 12R equals whatever these are added together. And from there, you'll be able to solve that equation for R. But the problem isn't asking for R, it's asking for the diameter. So whatever you get for R, multiply it by 2.